Hello everybody, this is Persian with Mahtab. Today I want to teach you the second brother. Second brother of whom? I have taught you he sound in previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video about he غیر آخر, he آخر, return back, watch that video and come to the second brother. As I told you, they are 4 brothers and the only difference between them is the dots. Now the second brother ج غیر آخر, ج آخر. Let's see how do we write j. Look above the line, a little bit above the line, we start, go up and a very beautiful triangle and come down on the line and continue on the line and 1 dot below. j غیر آخر. j غیر آخر means it comes at the beginning and in the middle. For instance, in the word جامدادی, pencil box, جامدادی, and جوراب, you see, in the initial position. But in the word پنجره and جوجه, here in second J, you see jim or J in the middle position. And now the last, the second form, which is J آخر. Exactly the same. We start a little bit above the line. We start, go up, and a very beautiful triangle, and below the line a very nice curve here, and put the dots here in the middle. ج غیر آخر, ج آخر. You see ج آخر in the word تاج, crown in the Persian. تاج. Now let's go to our table of friendship to see if we connect J to our vowel sounds, what word we have and how do we connect J to other sounds. Now this is our table of friendship. We write J غیر آخر, J آخر. Here it is consonant and make connection between J and our vowels. خب J and A will be جامدادی, like جامدادی. J A, we have J and A, we have ja. J and U, we have ju. Ju like جوراب, socks, جوراب. For J and O, we have jo and G, J-E and J-E, G, G, G. And for J-A we have J, J, you see, like پنجره. Let me write پنجره. 1 tooth for P, 1 tooth for N. Then we go and write J and R sound. Then return back. Dots for P, dot for N, dot for J and A آخره تنها پنجره. And J, another J, J. This J like جوجه. By the way, جوجه is the child for any bird in Persian is جوجه. When you hear جوجه kebab, don't think that they don't eat this. This is جوجه, and جوجه kebab is with hen. خب J and J. Now go and bring your Persian notebook. I want to give you your homework. Now your homework for J. غیر آخر ج آخر. Write one line جامدادی. Write one line جوراب. Write one line پنجره. And one line write تاج to practice ج آخر. تاج ج آخر. This was the second brother J, and the next videos I will teach you Kh and Che, two other brothers.